In lane 1 is Mufumbiro, lane 2, Moroto lane 3, Elgon and Rwenzori in lane 4. So let's clear up the lanes. As we are doing this, I want to have the athletes 400 meters, P5 and P6, report to the other area. Mr. Fadiwanya, P5 and P6. 100 meters, participants, P5 and P6. We will also be... We now have 2 participants to go.
There they go. Mufumbiro, Moroto, Erigon, Moroto Wani, Mufumbiro, rest, very tight, Rezal, Moroto, Erigon, Rezal, Moroto, Erigon, yes, Rezal, Mananga, Rezali, Moroto, Mufumbiro, Moroto, Mufumbiro, Rezali, Marata, Erigon. Moroto, Rezal, Moroto,
We now have 2 participants to go.
There they go. Mufumbiro, Moroto, Erigon, Moroto Wani, Mufumbiro, rest, very tight, Rezal, Moroto, Erigon, Rezal, Moroto, Erigon, yes, Rezali, Mananga, Rezali, Moroto, Mufumbiro, Moroto, Mufumbiro, Rezali, Marata, Erigon. Elgon, dance. Mufumbiro and the Elgon dance. There they go. Mufumbiro, Elgon, Mufumbiro, Mufumbiro takes the tablet. As Moroto to the other side. Tag of war between Mufumbiro and Moroto. Boys, added it to your house. Yes. Mufumbiro. There we go.
Balloons. Balloons, Maria. Are the balloons ready? 24 balloons. Okay.
Yes. Mufumbiro fighters.
Coordinators.
Yes.
My brother, let's clear the lane.
Morato.
Female has come. Female has come.
The veteran remains behind.
Now here, the teacher is going to be able to
This event, you have been the division to stay with all the participants. Thank you so much for sponsoring this event. We are proud of you. Sons, Ndoli, Sons, Resort Lane 1, Lane 2, Mufumbiro Lane 2, Lane 3, Samoa, Elgon Lane 3, Lane 4, Morato. Digida Sayuna. Mr.